Christy, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this really extra Valentine's Day inspired makeup tutorial. I don't know if it's all that wearable, but I really actually like how it turned out, which is amazing that I like how it turned out, considering it took me a long time to get here because I had already done basically a full other eye makeup look before and then messed it up and started all over again. So I'm glad that this has turned out relatively well. I am not in the best of moods today. I'm feeling an internal rage for no rhyme or reason, but I worked through it and I got this makeup look done. If you are wondering why my eyeballs are bright pink at the moment, it is because they are stained. I literally just tried to film a makeup look and it did not work out for me at all, so I wiped it all off, but the pink has stained my eyelids. That's fine, I know that it stains my eyelids, it doesn't bother me. I'm just going to cover it up with concealer. And this will also be my base for my eyeshadow. I was trying to film like a kind of pink and purpley eye makeup look, and I'm using the James Charles and Morphe palette, and as much as I absolutely love this palette, it was my first time using one of the purple shades. I can't remember what the name of it is. This one here, the lighter one, and I just found it impossible to work with. I don't know if it's just me or if there's like a certain technique that I could be using to make it a little bit easier to work with, but I found that it was going really patchy on my eyes and like really sticking to some parts and not blending out very easily at all. But I'll give it another shot at another point when I'm not filming, because that just adds to the stress, doesn't it really? The concealer I'm using, by the way, is the Define and Conceal Concealer by Makeup Revolution. Also, I know that my skin is bright red as well. I used a face mask and it did not agree with me. It's just not my day today. I probably shouldn't be filming because I just know it's one of those days where everything is going to go wrong and I look like I've got like pink eye, but it's fine. Pink eyes and blotchy skin. I feel great about myself today. Okay, so the first thing I am going to do is, I don't actually know what I want to do, so maybe I should try and figure this out. Oh fuck it. I'm going to go in with this shade here, Skip, and I'm just going to put that all over my eyelid because why the hell not? Completely different from the makeup look that I was going to do actually, because I was going to do like a kind of pink and purple cut crease, but I feel like just doing something a little bit easier today because that stressed me out. This is the colour that stained my eyelids, but look how beautiful it is. I honestly don't give a shit. This colour is so beautiful that it could permanently stain my entire face forever and I'd just be like, well, look how nice the colour is though. I've also just taken that above my crease as well in a pretty rounded shape. I'm going to blend it out in a minute anyway. The reason I like to take it above my crease is because when I look straight forward, like my actual crease is hidden in, because my eyes are pretty deep set. This eye is a lot more hooded than that eye as well, so if I don't take shadow above my crease, you're not really going to see it as much as I would like you to. And then with a little fluffy brush, this brush is the Essential Crease Brush by Real Techniques. I am just going into that shade Skip again, and I'm just buffing out this harsh edge. Then I'm just cleaning off this same brush. I have a towel down on my leg, so I'm just dusting that off, and then I'm getting into this light pink shade here, Pinkety Drinkety, which I really like seeing. And I'm just using that to buff out any harsh edges. I'm just going to pack a little bit more of that Skip shade on just to intensify it further. My full face really is going to be stained bright pink because I've just let this just do what it wants basically. I've been defeated. See, I just really like that on its own, but I feel like that would be a little bit boring, but I really like it. Obviously I would do like something under my eyes. I feel like I need to make an effort to do something else, but I don't know what. Okay, let's clean up this shit first so we can have a proper look at what's going on. Okay, I'm going in with the Jeffree Star Liquid velour liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Red Rum, and I'm just taking a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm going to start making a nice bright red wing because I can't think of anything else to do. Do you ever get that? Like, you just totally feel so uninspired and like, you just, like, I know that I want to do something nice, but I don't know what I want to do, and my brain won't tell me what it is that I want to do. But I know that I wanted to stick to kind of stereotypical Valentine's Day colours. Are you even focused? So I was originally going to do like pinks and purples, but I'm just going to do pink and red because why not? Those colours clash horribly together, so let's do it. Okay, that liner is a little bit wobbly, but I don't care. I'm going to do the same on the other eye and then I will be back. Okay, I've put a little bit of my concealer on the back of my hand, and I have my little angled brush here by Makeup Geek, and I think I'm going to attempt with my concealer to draw a tiny little heart here just above my crease. I'm taking like the tiniest amount of concealer. I'll probably mess this up, but let's attempt it anyway. It's not too bad actually. I think that's fine. I'm going to try and do one that somewhat resembles it on this eye here as well. It's really annoying because the wing on this side is much better and the heart on this side is much better. So anyway, I'm going to go off camera, do my base makeup, and then when I come back we'll see what the hell else we're doing. I'm thinking love heart freckles. Is that too much? Probably, but I think I'll probably do it anyway. I feel like so agitated and angry today, and I don't know why, but I could honestly, like, I could happily punch somebody in the face. Like, nobody in particular, just anybody. I feel like a rage burning inside me for no reason. Does anybody else get that? I don't know, maybe I'm coming up to my period or something, but like inside me is an uncontrollable anger, and I don't know why. So I'm taking that Red Rum shade from the Velour liquid lipstick, and I have no idea if this is going to work or not, but I'm going to pat it along my lower lash line, not in my waterline, but just underneath it, like my lash line, like I said. And then before that dries out, I'm going in with like a little precise brush like this, and I'm going to blend it back and forward. Okay, that was actually okay, luckily enough. Otherwise, somebody would have paid for it if it wasn't. Oh, got too cocky and smudged it. And then in with the bright pink shade Diva, I'm going to use that to line in my actual waterline. And I'm just taking that same bit, what's it called? Bent liner brush. For mascara, I'm using the Mascara Revolution by Makeup Revolution. I don't know, I was going to do false eyelashes today as well, but I don't know, man. I feel like that would tip me over the edge today. This mascara is really good. I really like it. It's honestly one of the best drugstore mascaras that I have ever tried, and I really like it. Look at the difference. Okay, I'm taking that little bent liner brush again, and in with that Red Rum shade, I'm patting into the liquid lipstick and then patting off any excess because I don't want to mess this up. And I'm just going to draw little hearts just kind of over my nose area. These hearts are all different, but you know, I want to be inclusive of all heart shapes and sizes. That heart is just getting bigger and bigger and bigger because I've messed it up. I need to take it off. That wee one here is definitely the Courtney of the family. That would be the least exciting to look at. Kim's words, not mine. Okay, and then I am taking the pink one, Diva, and I'm just going to make little dots all over my face. Sorry, this is probably the most annoying video ever me to watch, just me being angry for 20 minutes. Okay, for lips, I'm just going straight in with Diva. And then I want to line my lips with red rum. I don't know if this is a mistake, probably. And I'm just going to fade that line a little bit because I would have liked it to be like really crisp and sharp in the outline, but I've messed it up a little bit, so I'm just going to need to blend it in slightly. And I'm just doing that by wriggling over where the red and the pink meet each other. Alright, so that is the end of the makeup and therefore it is the end of the video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you have, please give it a like and subscribe if you would want to see more. I'm going to go and scream into a pillow